So today me have the Blu here. Charging port one fix. One of them Blu S610p. Yeah, so pull it down as usual, obviously. Pull out the screw them. So in my background up here. Yeah, you can always use a tweezer to remove connections and ribbons. Promise it won't do any damage. Come on, I'm a professional here. Come on, just flick off the side ribbon. Make sure you say not tear that cap. Problem. Alright, so just use heat station, click off the port. Flux the connection and the support pin on the port. And heat up. When the solder melt up, you just lift off. Yeah, just re-solder, just apply some fresh solder to the connections, so ensure proper soldering and all of that. Make sure everything connect properly and you don't have any loose soldering and all of that. Now, kind of in reverse, so just heat up the board, heat up where the solder is, so melt up the solder and then just slide right in. You can apply a little flux for lubrication, but what to do is just heat it up, put it in the port, and that's it. And for the most part. Ta-da! It's charging, dog. It's fucking charging. Alright, like and subscribe. Yeah, that's it really. Until the next video, just like and subscribe.